You open your phone to check one message. 27 minutes later, you're reading about a celebrity divorce, watching a raccoon eat grapes and wondering why you can't focus. You're not broken. Your brain is being hijacked, one dopamine hit at a time. Every time you scroll, click, or check a notification, you get a hit of dopamine. Dopamine equals motivation chemical. It makes your brain go, do that again. But here's the trap. Dopamine is about seeking, not satisfaction. That's why you keep clicking, but never feel fulfilled. The more you chase novelty, the harder it is to focus on anything boring, like reading or deep work. Attention works like a muscle. The more you let it jump around, the weaker it gets. Studies show multitaskers perform worse on memory, reasoning, and even basic comprehension. Why? Because switching tasks leaves attention residue, like trying to juggle while you still holding the last ball. The result? Shallow thinking, short focus, and stress you can't explain. Good news. You can retrain your brain. Here's how to rebuild focus like a skill. 1. Block distractions. Put your phone in another room. Not on silent. Not flipped. Gone. 2. Use the 25-minute rule. Focus fully for 25 minutes, then rest. It's called the Pomodoro technique. 3. Single task. One tab. One job. That's it. 4. Move your body. Even a 10-minute walk resets brain chemistry. 5. Don't wait to feel motivated. Start, and motivation will follow. If your brain feels scattered, it's not your fault. The system's designed to steal your focus. But once you take it back, you'll get more done in less time and feel better doing it. Welcome to my channel. We make videos that help you understand and control the new intelligence. You won't get smarter watching TV. No offense, Mr. Beast. The problem is traditional school doesn't prepare you for this kind of intelligence. You're right. Memorizing facts is easy. Applying them, not so much. And memorizing facts won't help you solve problems or make decisions. That's real intelligence. Knowing how to learn it is even smarter. Welcome to the next episode. Your brain is not on your side. In this series, we explore the science of intelligence to answer questions like, is my brain broken? Why can't I focus? Do geniuses think differently? What can I do to be smarter? You know what's crazy? For centuries, people thought the answer to these questions would come from studying the stars. Instead, the answers were hiding inside our skulls the whole time. Well, almost the whole time. In 2016, scientists discovered a 10th cranial nerve connecting the brain and spine. They named it the infundibular nucleus. People had been guessing about its purpose for years. Turns out it sends signals to the brainstem about hunger and thirst. Basically, it's there to make sure you don't forget to eat or drink. So yeah, some things are still a mystery, but most of the answers we need are already in there. It's time we unlock them. Why? Because what we know about the brain can change our lives. Want to be smarter? Train your brain to be sharper. Can't focus? Learn how to regain your attention. Feel stuck? Discover how to break through your limits. Our mission is to decode the brain. With every click, you're helping us do that. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.